Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here on this beautiful day in Addison, Illinois, in front of our dealership. Today I have the honor of presenting to you this 1983 Oldsmobile Hurst Olds 15th anniversary in pristine condition. The car is superb with very, very low miles. And yes, it does have the lightning rods. Also, it has the sunroof, moonroof, whatever you want to call that part. But this has its factory 305 motor with the automatic transmission. Beautiful exterior paint, guys. I will go over everything with you. Very, very deep shine to it. Newer Hurst wheels. Mirror finish on the vehicle. There's your sunroof, and yes, it does function. Everything is super nice. If you're looking for a documented 83 Lightning Rod Hurst 15th anniversary, well, I think you found it. Okay. Here we have a lot of the documentation. Here is the certificate done in 1983. Okay, this is number 701 out of 3,000 produced. There's your original laminated window sticker and some information, protective plate for the car warranty, owner's manual, etc. Again, gorgeous documented car, guys. If you're picky, like I am, for my private collection, and this might go in my private collection if I do not get what I'm looking for. Okay, there are a few things in the car that I would address, and I'm going to go over that with you. I just wanted to give you an all-around look to it. Look at this thing. Okay. On the body, I do not see any dings or dents. Okay? Nothing that stands out to me except a couple places. Okay? They are easy fixes, but here's one of them down here. Okay? So I would have this fixed, and that rear spoiler, as you can see, it does stand out a little bit right there. And obviously, I would have that just repainted. And that's all one piece that comes around. That's it that I found on the body that bugs me. Okay. All right. So let's work our way. Oh, your plate's right there. Okay. Check out this very clean interior. Power windows, power locks, weather stripping is all original. You got a power driver seat, tilt, cruise. 39,000 miles, guys. Yes, it is documented, okay? It is documented. Cruise control, tilt. Yes, horn does work. Wipers function. Check out the lights in a minute here. There's your infamous or famous lightning rods for the 15th anniversary. Close this door. Door buzzer works. There's the sunroof there. Here's your switches. Okay, that back part goes up. And it does open up really nice. Very cool feature. Let's check out the air conditioning. It comes out cold right away.
For resources.
Radio functions as well. Your windows do roll up and down. There is a slight tint on the windows. Okay. So that all functions as well. have it. Exhaust sounds great. There's your lights. Let's check out those turn signals as we talked about. Okay, you got it working there and there. Okay. No problem. Check out the front side. Okay, and let's check out the passenger side. Look at that. Wow, mirror finish. Look at that. All right, guys. There you have it. If you've been looking, because I search for these cars all the time, and I can't believe that we found this one. All right. So let's continue our journey here. As you can see, tack works, speedo functions, and all the gauges. Wow, this thing goes down the road so freaking smooth. Honestly, guys, this is a keeper. So I will price it, and if you pay it, you can have it. If you don't bother. This is a keeper. And a little ding on the windshield there. I would replace the whole windshield for that. So $200. Call me, text me, 847-848-1850. If you need financing, you'll need 10% down. We got long-term payments that fit your budget, no problem. And if you need delivery, quote me. For me to quote you, you would have to text me to my number, 847-848-1850. We're coming up here to mgmclassiccars.com, where we have over 200 beautiful cars, guys. Okay, so you can check us out, mgmclassiccars.com. My name's Thomas. You got my number. Call me. If you love this car like I do, let's go. Let's make a deal. Thank you. Bye-bye.